Here we are at AutoWorld of Conway, previewing yet another beautiful example. This particular model, 1964 Ford Thunderbird, and this California Speedster with the fiberglass tonneau. I'm going to take a minute and do a walk around and show the operation of the power top, because as you know, they can be cantankerous. So we'll go ahead and start it up here. Car always starts wonderfully. So here you'll see the trunk opening up as it recesses directly into the trunk, but if you're watching this, you probably already know that. But most importantly, you need to know that this car, it functions absolutely the way it should. So he's already got the front unlatched. Did that before we started the video. And there she goes. There you have it. Now we'll take a moment, we'll walk around, see its condition. So this car used to be Tahoe turquoise, and I would classify this as a pretty nice driver. It does have some marks here and there in the chrome, and again in the paint. Now this lady that previously owned this car, California, and she brought this car to South Carolina from California, and in the last 6 months had this 390 rebuilt and reinstalled in the car. Boy, she drives nice and powerful, smooth. Power steering and power brakes. The drum brakes are adjusted perfectly. One of the better stopping drum brake cars that we've had in recent times. So you can see some different evidences of the prior color, and I'll point those out as we go around. So the black paint shows pretty well from 10 feet, even 5 feet, but under close inspection you can see, again, beauty marks is what we'll call them. There's another one here, and then on this leading edge of the hood, if I can get right there, some paint loss. So being from California, I've been under this car, and we've got some pictures again on our website. Factory undercoated and all original body panels. From what I can tell, I don't see any evidence of prior rust repair, which is a bonus. So a scrape there that's been touched up. New radial tires on all four corners with the 1-inch white wall, 205 75 15s. See a mark right there. Sometimes it's difficult to see, so I find it easier just to point them out. Chrome is in average, maybe above average condition. Looks great. Again, I might be a little bit picky. And a couple marks here and here. So again, this car is priced according to its condition. If it were priced the way it drives, it'd be $1 million. Boy, do I love driving this car. And we'll do that in just a moment. So this fiberglass Speedster top was an option that you could order, I believe 61 through 65. Someone will have to double check that. windows, remote driver's mirror. By remote, meaning joystick here. It tends to sag to the left as you drive. And down just a little bit. Pretty clean car. So these seats, I'm going to venture, are original or very, very old. A little split in the seam there. The gauges here seem to function properly. Not seem to, they do. Speedometer, which is the big sweeper here. Wipers. The horn does not function, nor does the radio. And all the windows function fast and smooth. And the swing-away steering wheel. Guess I should put that window down. That's okay. So I have not removed this fiberglass top. Difficult to do by myself. But I can see the seats under there. Manual passenger seat, power driver's seat. The driver's seat is in a fixed position at the moment. This car would be great for a family of 4 or just a husband and wife. Maybe to cruise the boulevard, I don't know. I think that's what I'd like to do. Put this window down over here. So you don't have to take my word for it. Let's go for a ride. Let's go reverse here. So here we got our main service facility. Keep about 250 cars here. So all of our classics come to this dealership first, and then after service and reconditioning goes to our classics and specialty dealership. What a pretty day for a ride. See the sweeper gauge functioning there. Just how easy it goes down the road. You can hear the tone of the exhaust. It's got a lovely exhaust note out the back. You almost can't hear it at idle. And then when you get on it down the road, you can hear it real well. So we come up here to this turn, make a right. This truck pull out. Thank you.